Okay. Hello guys, I'm here today. We are going to play a new video that is called SCP Games SCP Monsters, and also welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to choose which one? I'm going to choose the orange one because why not? Guys, subscribe. If you see my account, don't forget to subscribe to the button and subscribe to the channel below. Also, let me know in the comment section about this mod. It's called Elden Rules. I'm going to lock it in, but that's okay. Hello, but are you an overlook? But okay, let's continue our mission because
What did he say? Look.
I'm going to beat this. There's 3 boss monsters in every 8 minutes. Okay. Stop! You look animal. Okay. Where is it? Hey, kill me.
Here, I'm coming.
You look Lulu. Help! You look sus. Sit, I'm going to. Okay, that is not a good idea because why? Why is it happening to me? Okay.
And follow me.
Bruh,
I'm going to be my test subject.
Where are you guys? Guys, where are you?
At your robot.
At your robot.
Okay, good job.
Where are you?
The robot is in.
Where are you? Are you in?
At your robot.
I'm going to,
By pooping.
Oh, this one is the new one.
Go.
Where are you guys?
Guys.
You're here! Oh. Vernock, you're here. Where are you?
I'll shoot you.
Where are you, Vernock? Vernock, where are you?
I'll shoot you.
Don't shut me, okay? I'm your friend.
Subscribe to me.
I subscribe to you. Where is it?
OJ.
Yeah, I can't see you now, but
Where are you?
okay.
Teleport.
How can I teleport without this? Okay, we're in a very new videos. Look, it's October 5, 2024.
You're my test subject.
Yes.
Follow me.
Yes. Okay, Mulubot. I'm so scared. Don't shoot me or else I will. If you shoot me, I will laugh again.
Just laugh again.
No.
Wow.
But so why, Goblin? Why are you lagging? Guys, we're making a new video that is called Elden Rules. So in this video, I have 1.1k likes. No.
Go inside.
No, it's gonna be scary, but ow! Oh my god. Stop! I wanna open. Oh, no!
Why did you open it?
Stop kissing me! Help me!
Why did you open it?
I can't!
Animal ko yan. Here to save you.
Hello, Vernock. I'm your friend now.
Shield.
Oh my god, let's go there. But that's okay, but yeah. Okay, Vernock.
I'm helping you.
I'm your friend now because, yeah.
Let this guy die.
Yes, get out. I got a shield. I got a flashlight because I'm in a long video. So let's get started.
You're dying.
Come on. He left again. Oh my god, come on. I'm your friend. I'm your friend now. What the? Come on. I'm your friend. Come on. Okay.
It's a big guy. Look.
What?
There's a name in there. He just made it up.
Yeah, where are you? Okay. I'm going to go to you. Wow, amazing! This could be called SCP Games, SCP Monsters. I don't have a game. I can't.
I have 100 Robux. I can buy it.
I can't buy it because I have 2 Robux.
I have 2 Robux.
I don't care, but yeah. Hey, wait for me! I lost you. Where are you? Is that you? Why? Hello. Wow, they're just lagging. No, lagging.
No, not it. Fill up.
Bruh, are you just disconnect? Bro, they disconnected, but came out of nowhere. Ew! I'm going to piss the robot. Aha, look at that, because they just keep stocking and stocking and stocking. Shoot, keep and shoot. Keep shooting, okay. But I
I'm
want.
just going to play one block.
But I want it. They just, oh my god, they keep on lagging. Okay, I'm going to check in no rooms. Oh, what's that? It's invisible. No, this is in okay, there's no there. Bye, Burnock. Bye, Burnock.
I'm going to play
He left again.
one play
Please,
one block.
Burnock, I want to play now. No, it's fine. I'm going to play myself because
I'm gonna play
have mercy. Have mercy. Please, I look like Akmao. I look like Sagmao because my dad called me Sagmao. Okay. They look funny and disgusting and they just looks ugly. Okay. Come on, I keep on falling right now.
Station.
How about SCP games, SCP monsters?
You play.
I'm going to leave this game, guys. Guys, I'm going to leave this game in the next game. Okay, next game is Middle Station. Middle Station. Station Horror. What's that? I'm gonna lag again. I'm going to lag again because why?
It's a laggy.
Why?
Walk, look, you're not lagging.
Yeah. Yeah.
2 players come.
Yeah. Yeah, I got Badger War because why? It's in a horror game.
Come follow me, Kuya.
Why? Where are you?
I'm here.
Where are you?
I'm playing PlayStation.
There is.
Come, go, follow me.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. Okay. This one. Wow, there's a car
Take it.
there. Okay.
Good job.
Okay.
Now we wait until.
Okay. No, I don't have.
I'll join you
I
guys
don't
later.
have Robux there. Yes, guys, subscribe to JessOG and Gavin. So, guys, let me know in comments. I got a lot of comments there. So, yeah. Oh, you're in now. Hello. Are you in game?
Wait,
In the game?
still loading.
Bruh, it's in loading. It's on in a loading mode. Guys, it's on a loading mode. Bruh, keep on lagging. Oh. Excellent Studios. Okay. It's Excellent Studios. Oh my god, I keep on
I have a
lagging.
deal.
Stop. Oh my god.
It's my car. I'm driving.
Yeah. Okay, I can't do it.
Maybe. That's a food. Can I join you guys?
Yes.
Sure. Wait. How do I? Wait.
What's that? Is that Siren Head? Okay, I'm not doing. I'm going to make a very new video, so let's get started with the story. Please.
Still join us already.
Wait, again.
Sorry.
Sorry. I'm not lagging, guys.
Just watch us. Let's have it.
What?
You know what? Let's leave and join Carlos in this game. And we start.
What I want.
So Carlos.
Hello, Tutkar.
So Carlos can join.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Let's leave.
But I can't.
Let's leave. Bye.
Please, don't leave
Bye,
me.
Kuya.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Where am I going?
Oh, you're just lagging. Hey, where are you?
I'm not lagging because why? Where's my avatar? Oh, avatar. Take. Hey. Man. Hey, give me your Anna. Finally.
Just give me money.
Just give me your money. Just give me your money.
It's Ronaldo.
Bruh. They keep on reading. No. Hey.
Kuya don't want to.
I'm lost.
Kuya, fine. Kuya, we need to
Okay,
restart.
fine, but I can't.
Fine, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh. Then reset. Where are you? Others.
I'm leaving now.
Don't
I'll
leave me.
do-
Oh.
I'll join Kalis. I'll
Help
restart.
me.
Kuya isn't there.
Where am I?
Stay there, Kalis.
Okay. Hey,
No,
you're
no,
not
if
leaving
you
now.
move, I'll
Hey,
join Kuya.
no, you're not leaving yet. Come on.
We already left. Look, see? If we don't want to leave him,
Please
Where are
leave
you?
me. Okay.
I'm jumping.
Hey, don't leave me.
Jump again.
But, hey, no,
I can't see you.
no.
So are you? Trying to tune on my friends.
What is going on with my scream? Hey, don't leave me. Please. Oh, no. Okay.
Wait.
Please. Join me. Okay, I need go to the back
No,
and
what the frick is wrong
clock
with my
in.
phone?
Where's the clock in? How can I clock in? Maybe this. This one. I don't have Robux yet. Can I know? Ow! Oh, where is it? Turn on. Okay. Where is the store?
Fine.
Hello, welcome to my store. Welcome back. Oh,
Welcome.
welcome to the utot.
Kuya, join us.
Okay. Guys!
You guys follow me.
Okay, fine.
Kuya,
Why are
follow
they?
us. Follow
Okay,
us.
fine.
Follow me.
Chill, okay.
Come
Where
on,
are
this
you?
one. Wait. No, come here.
What?
Go this one.
This one, okay. I'm riding now.
Join.
No, join.
Click join.
How can I click join?
Wala ka dyan.
No!
Dalit na! Click join. There.
There.
Do not leave.
Okay. Do not leave. Okay. Bye, Butso Monster. That's you.
Who is you?
Bruno, my my charger. My charger is in a lubat. I'm in a lubat, man. Okay.
Do it, Freddy.
I'm gonna the lubat, man.
Hey, stop.
What? Nagutot ako.
Get to the reverse.
I mean upside down. I'm gonna get a station.
Never sleep.
Yeah.
Alien first. I scream first.
I scream first, but
Scream then.
what do you do? Okay. Let's go! Bro, why is it not search yet? Yes. We're on video, bro. Okay.
Search up Skibidi Toilet, guys.
Yeah, skip the bop.
Search up PENIS.
PE.
Not no.
PP.
Search up PIPI.
PIPP. PIPP. PPIPP. PP. PIPI. I'm so tired, but okay. Ang galing. Yes, it's the auto car. What?
This is a shortcut.
Yes. Oh my god. I'm getting stuck in place. Kaya yan,
Give me your money.
Okay. I'm going to... Hey! Utot ka! You look, ano? Ah! Stop! Help me! You're stuck! No. No! No! Go! Can I, ano? Right! Cost Robux! Oh my god. I'm the worst thing ever. Get out. You... What the? Face mask? Bruh.
Look, he's a mask.
Bruh, he looks like Mikado. Mikado's my friend. What the sign on? I'm gonna follow him. Get out. This is my store now.
Get out.
This is my store now.
I'm following him. Bye-bye, kuya.
Bye. You look, ano. I'm going to close that window. Bye. Bye, monster ka. Joke. It's a joke lang. Monster. Burnout, and you're not gonna open yet. I closed that door.
I'll open the frick out of you, kuya.
No. No. Oh my god. Hey. Stop it. Stop never no. Burnout, wait, stop. Burnout, I'm going to close that monster.
Now what?
Now what?
And it's a thing.
Oh my god. The shelf? Where's the shelf? The stupid shelf. Bye, Bruno. Monster. Ooh! 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 Ooh!
How can we stop, by the way?
Monster! Oh my god. Hulago!
Flip.
Hulago!
Oh, there's these.
Monster!
The boxes.
Monster! Okay. Okay, help. Okay, I'm gonna help. Ah! Okay. How? How can I utot? Yay! Victory! Oh, okay. Utot. Wait. How?
Matt, please come. Get the boxes.
Okay. Where's the boxes? Oh my god. Then, ano, utot? Okay. Let's continue our, very stuff because I'm going to make a very long video, so this could be funny. Please. Yes! Continue. Let's do this here. Ready? Go. Ow.
Oh,
Ah.
car. What is this car?
There is the
Get
new...
ready. Bye-bye, kuya.
No!
I'm the cashier.
Monster! I'm the cashier too. Hello, what do you want?
Give me your money.
I will shoot there.
You look ugly.
Yeah. Shoot the girl. Shoot the robot.
If she comes out, I'm going. Stop.
Finally.
Karen.
Your name is Karen because... Yeah. Yeah, you look disgusting, Karen. I lost. I hate you.
I don't know how to ring you up, you ugly girl.
I hate you. Get out. Get out. I'm the customer. What do you want to buy, idiot? Is that... Oh, yes. Yes. Mine. Mine. Grab. Mine. Mine, ha.
What?
How many, Hey, that's mine.
Give me your money, guys.
We're not
coming. You don't get money for doing it.
But I wanna get money. Oh, there, yes. Give me your money. Don't get hey. I'm going to go.
Who doesn't understand this game, guys? Look.
Don't steal money, Bernok.
Look, I'll steal it.
No.
Look. You just need to take a pickaxe and put it on the register. You don't.
Or else I will leave.
You don't even take the money. It's okay if you can leave if you want.
Okay.
Okay, leave then. Leave. Leah.
What? I want that.
Okay.
I'm the no. Hello, I'm the customer. How do you know?
Give me all of my money.
No. That's mine. No.
Haha, Kuya.
Or else I will leave.
It's okay.
That's it. I'm going done.
Because look,
We're back in SCP. Games SCP Monsters.
Give me your money.
I don't want to you anymore.
Give me your money. And you need the blue. Give me your blue. And change it with mine.
Guys, I'm going to unsubscribe Bernok because he looks, hello.
I'll subscribe to you.
What?
If you unsubscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you.
But I didn't. I'm gonna leave. So stop talking, okay?
Yours.
Hi guys, so here he is. I am the guard because
Let's close the door now. I'm leaving, guys.
I hate Bernok because of you. So guys, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my other channel. So guys, subscribe. Guys, sub please. Oh wait, I look like him. What? Oh wow, he looks like green. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel and unsubscribe him. Cause
But I'm left. We're playing tag.
guys, start.
You pick for that guy's cashier.
What this? Wait,
Now it's a kill thing.
stop. Oh my god, I died. That was interesting. Okay guys, I end videos. So this one is terrible. So guys, subscribe to my channel. So also guys, subscribe. Also bye. I'm going to end of the video guys.